Hey, on this video, I'm going to fix my Harley Davidson. That's right, I'm using a hammer. Ah, good old trusty hammer. Let's get right to it. Alright, I don't know if you guys saw the video, but I was practicing U-turns and stuff. And the bike got laid down on this side. The crash bar here on this bag is pushed back and it's hitting up here. So I'm going to fix it with the hammer. I know some of you are cringing out there, but you know what? I don't give a crap. Time to smash things up. Aha! Sweet! Alright, looks like that's gonna do it. I don't know if you guys can see, but I got space here now. What happened was it pushed it up against the bag. Now it's, it's free. It's not hitting. So it looks a lot better now. Welcome to Mike's Garage, where we fix things with hammers. Anyway guys, if you're new here, thanks for joining me. If you're subscribed and you come back for another video, I really appreciate you folks. And if you're new, go ahead and subscribe, share the videos, like the videos, and I'm sure there's something on this channel that will interest you if you're into bikes. If you're not into bikes and you're more into family and cars and stuff like that, I have my other channel. Click on the link, subscribe to that, and I do almost everything else on that channel. Alright everybody, I want to say thank you for being here with me, and take care. God bless. Bye-bye.